What's up my people? So this is Marsha Creatives, the home of creative tech. Hope you guys are good, mko fiti, mko poa. So as promised, we are doing a Photoshop crash course. So this is lesson 2, and our last class was all about creating a new project, and this class is an introduction of what you need to do immediately you create a new project. So before we dive in, ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative content. Be strong. So right here on my screen, this is my Photoshop open, and I showed you how you get to reach to this to get this panel. So let me just redo that. Just click on create new. Then right here on this video, we are going throughout the rest of the classes. We will be using 640 by 640, that is a square artboard. So just ensure you are on pixels right here. Then right here, give it 640 pixels, and the height also give it 640 pixels, so that is a square. Then the resolution, let's just play with 200 resolution. Then the color is RGB. Let's use white background instead of transparent, and yeah, we're done. So let me just click create, and boom, Photoshop does its magic, and here I have my artboard. So guys, you are on your journey of becoming a graphic designer, one of the best ones, So as always, how I advise my design procedure is, first things first is what? Designing your background. Okay, so in this video, basically, since it's our lesson 2, I'm going to show you how to create backgrounds in Photoshop. So right here, as we already have a white background, so if you are going to work your design with a white background, you are good to go. So if you just need a solid background, you just come right here. This is the rectangle tool, so just click on the rectangle. Then right here we have the color. We also have the swatches right here, so just click on the color that you want. Then you'll see the fill here, right here on top. So just pick on the color. You can also use these presets right here. Just select your color. You can also use gradients right here. So you can see we have the blues, the pinks, just pick the one that you want to work with, and it will just populate right here. So for me, I'm just going to use a solid color. Then I'm just going to choose red. Then we are on our rectangle tool right here, so just click and drag. So boom, that is how you get a solid background on your artboard. So just get the color. Again, you can edit the color after you have still drawn your rectangle. So when you have this selected, always you are on your move tool right here, on your move tool. So select on these are our layers right here. So ensure you are on that layer. Ensure you are on the layer that is the rectangle layer. Then now you can change the colors as you want. You can just pick any color. You can come to the gradients, and you can just choose any that suits your background. And that's it. That's it for the background. So once you are done with your background, you can maybe, oh sorry about that, let me undo that. Control Z on your keyboard to undo any mistake that you have done. So you can also, maybe you want to do a background that is maybe, let's say, an image. So right here on our layers panel, this layers panel, we have this eye here. This eye simply enables you to toggle the visibility of a layer. So maybe if I don't want to delete this layer, but I just want to toggle the visibility, if you just click on that, that is how you toggle the visibility. So I'll toggle the visibility of that. Then now maybe we want to work with a custom background, that is maybe an image for a background. So just get your image maybe from online, from Google. So let me first open my Chrome right here. Let me get my Chrome first. Yeah, so here's my Chrome. So let's say I'm looking for sundown background. Yeah, so we have this type of background. You can go to images. Yeah, so in short, we are working on how to deal with backgrounds. So let's say I want to work with this one. So just click on it, give it some time to load. Yeah, this is okay. You can right click, save the image as, or you can just copy. So for me, I'm just going to copy the image, then go back to Photoshop, then Control V on your keyboard to paste. Then now you can click on this anchor and reduce, then click, position it at the center. like that, depending on how you want it to appear. So for me, I think that can do. Then now the last thing you need to do is to check that. As you can see, guys, we have a nice background here. Guys, come on, even before we continue, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Come on, do that thing, fanya hiyo kitu mtu wangu. Like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel for such nice and good content. So again, there's another way we have that background that can work for us. Or maybe this background is too bright, you can reduce right here the opacity, and you get something like that. But the best way to do that, I usually like using something called a blend. So I'll just come to my rectangle tool right here. I'll give it a fill, maybe red, and not red because already we have red. So let me get a different color right here on my swatches, and let me use this. Yeah, then now click and drag. So now I have that color on top. As you can see, that these layers, maybe if you want this on top, you can just click and drag these layers on top of each other like that. So for me, I want this color to be on top. Then the next thing, I'll click on this layer. Then right here, this is the blend mode. So now you can just blend this background. That is the rectangle that has a solid color and the image that is on the background. So just pick a nice blend that will work for you. Can you imagine that one? That is a nice blend. You can still change it. Just come here, just pick one. You see, yeah, just a nice blend that will work for you depending on what you are designing. Even this looks nice. That is color blend. You can do a multiply, yeah, depending on what you can do, a color dodge. You see, yeah. So that is how you achieve backgrounds. You can use a solid or get a picture, then play along with it. That is a blend with another color. Again, you can have a, let me remove this blend to solid back. Then now I'll drag this below. Now I have, if I toggle the visibility of my image, I have this as my solid color. So I can still blend the photo inside the solid background. So let me toggle this and toggle this one. So I want to blend this, my photo, let me bring it up, this one with this gradient background that we had created. So right here, come to blend. Then now you can blend that with the gradient. As you can see, it has a nice feel, the gradient and the image, yeah, something like that, you know. Then you just click on it and you have a nice background blend. You can still get the blend, then still click on one of these, maybe the rectangle, then you can lower the opacity, as you can see, something like that. Or you can lower the image opacity, then that looks nice, you see. So that is how you create background. So just get any background, place it on your artboard, play along with different solids and the blend color. So that's it for today, guys, about creating backgrounds in Photoshop. So ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more informative content. Like the video, share with your friends, and boom, let's meet in the next lesson. Bye. Be strong.